you want to earn money at home without any investment, no any investment, and with very easy to do task, like we all have lots of products in our home, like we already bought lots of products in our home from Amazon, then Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Costco. We already have lots of different products like bed sheets, sofa, laptop, phone, charger, power bank, lots of different products. And we need product review and demo videos from you, and we will pay you for one product. We need 3 videos, and we will pay you for one product $5 minimum for one product. See, and you have to, how that video you have to make, we will teach you and guide you how to do that. And we need 50 seconds to maximum 2 minutes or 2 minute 30-second video, not more than that. And how to make that, like what in that product review video you have to tell that how you use this product, how you operate this product, how you feel about the product, what benefit you get about the product, what is the product. See, like this example, like this is the oil, and you have to tell how you apply this oil and what benefits you getting from this applying, after applying this oil, and how and from how many months or days or weeks or years you are applying this oil. This type of videos we need. And we will pay you by email transfer, PayPal transfer, then other like Remitly or other ways we will pay you. For each product we will pay you minimum $5, and maximum we will settle as you will experience in this field. And there is no investment, right? No single penny investment. And we already have lots of products which we already bought from Amazon sitting in our home, and this way you can easily make money. See, and our number, and if you want to start with this work, just comment deal or yes you want to, and then we will contact you. And our WhatsApp number is I am displaying on the screen, like +91 98150 90410. Second number is there that I forget, and third number is +1. This is our US number, +1 780 US Canada related number, +1 780 600 4500. In these number you can contact us, WhatsApp us, and then we will guide you how you can start with this work, and we will guide you how to make that type of video. We will send you the samples video, and then you can record just a little 50-second to minimum 50-second to maximum 230-second video, and you will earn $5. See, and for one product we need 3 videos, and one product, for one product 3 videos we will pay you $5. See, minimum 5. And this is very easy task, because we everyday use, like this is the product. See, this is a diffuser. See, oil diffuser or humidifier, and how you use this, how you plug this, and how this work, and see everything you have to show in the demo, and you will earn money. This is really very simple task, and this way sitting at your home you can earn money. This is very easy. Yeah, thank you. If you want to start, number again I am repeating, +91 98150 90410, +1 780 600 4500. And third number I am displaying on the screen, and you can message us and we will start. Thank you. And please share this video with your friends, with your loved ones. Like if you are from any part of the world, like the video must be in English first, and second, if you like Spanish, we need Spanish videos in French, and that later we will tell you which languages we need, but basic primary language is English. See, and yeah, we will guide you everything. You can start, and welcome here to earn money just by product review video and demo. No investment, no anything.